हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू नॉलेज गराजेस। मेरा नाम अमिताभ सिंह। आप सभी को रक्षाबंधन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आज हम बात करेंगे मेड इन इंडिया गाड़ी XUV 700 के बारे में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Today we are going to talk about Cake on Hot Wheels XUV 700 detail as per variants. Mahindra has shocked everyone by launching the much anticipated XUV 700 premium SUV with a starting price tag of Rs 11.99 lakhs for base petrol variant and Rs 12.49 lakhs for the base diesel variant. The brand has not revealed the complete price list yet, and according to the details available, the prices for the 6-seater and 7-seater variants will be announced sometime in October this year. We are expecting the fully loaded top-end variant to be priced somewhere around Rs 18 to 19 lakhs. Here is the variant-wise ex-showroom price list for the 5-seater variants featuring a 6-speed manual gearbox. Mahindra XUV 700 price list: MX Petrol MT Rs 11.99 lakh, MX Diesel MT Rs 12.49 lakh, AX3 Petrol MT Rs 13.99 lakh, AX5 Petrol MT Rs 14.99 lakhs. Mechanically, the Mahindra XUV 700 is available with two engine options: a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo petrol Stallion unit and 2.2-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel Amhoc unit. The petrol engine is good for a maximum power of 200 HP and a peak torque of 380 Nm. Coming to the diesel engine option, it is available in two state of tune. The lower version is good for 155 HP and 360 Nm, while the higher spec version generates 185 HP and 420-450 Nm, depends upon MT and AT of power and torque respectively. Both the engine options can be had with 6-speed manual and 6-speed automatic gearbox options. The diesel engine also comes with 4 drive modes: Jeep, Jap, Zoom and Custom. There is also an all-wheel drive AWD version on offer. Mahindra XUV 700 first-in-class loaded features like ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, Forward Collision Warning FCW, Autonomous Emergency Brake AEB, Traffic Sign Recognition, Driver Drowsiness Detection, Lane Departure Warning, Lane Keep Assist, Adaptive Cruise Control, Smart Pilot Assist. Mahindra XUV 700 key safety features: 7 airbags, customizable voice alert for speeding, anti-lock braking system ABS, electronic brake distribution EBD, seat belt with lamp and retractor pre-tensioner for front seats. Mahindra is offering the all-new XUV 700 in two series, MX and Renault X AX. The MX series has a single MX variant option and is available with a petrol engine and a lower output diesel engine. Here are the key features of the XUV 700 MX. XUV 700 MX features 7-inch touchscreen infotainment screen, 7-inch digital instrument cluster, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Alexa, and day-night internal rear view mirrors IRVMS, power adjust outside rear view mirror ORVMS, smart door handles. The high-spec SUV 700 and Renault X series is available in 3 variant options: AX3, AX5 and AX7. Here are the variant-wise key features: XUV 700 AX3, 10.25-inch infotainment system, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, built-in Amazon Alexa virtual assistant, 6 speakers sound system, day-night internal rear view mirror IRVMS, power adjust outside rear view mirror ORVMS, smart door handles. XUV 700 AX5 in additional to AX3, panoramic sunroof, LED headlights, curtain airbag, sequential turn indicators in tail lights. XUV 700 AX7 in additional to AX5, Advanced Driver Assistance System ADAS, 6-way power adjustable driver seat memory, 7 airbags, dual zone climate control, leather upholstery, 18-inch alloy wheels, and XUV 700 optional features: 360-degree cameras, 3D surround sound system, wireless smartphone chargers, blind view monitor, electronic parking brake. Mahindra XUV 700 technical specifications: 2-liter petrol engine, turbo petrol with direct injection TGDI, and capacity 2-liter, maximum power 200 HP, 147 kilowatt at the rate of 5000 rpm, maximum torque 380 Newton meter at the rate of 1750 and 3000 rpm. Transmission type 6-speed MT and 6-speed AT. 2.2-liter diesel engine, turbo diesel with CRDI, capacity 2.2 liter, maximum power option 1, 155 HP, 114 kilowatt at the rate of 3750 rpm, maximum torque option 1, 360 Newton meter at the rate of 1500 and 2800 rpm, maximum power option 2, 185 HP, 136 kilowatt at the rate of 3500 rpm, maximum torque option 2, manual transmission, 420 Newton meter at the rate of 1600 rpm and 2800 rpm, maximum torque option 2, automatic transmission, 450 Newton meter at the rate of 1750 rpm and 2800 rpm. ट्रांसमिशन टाइप 6-speed MT एंड 6-speed AT. अब चलिए बात करते हैं डायमेंशंस की. लेंथ 4695 mm, विड्थ 1890 mm, हाइट 1755 mm with roof rails, wheelbase 2. XUV 700 brakes and suspension: independent front suspension with FSD damper, independent rear suspension with FSD damper, front ventilated disc, rear solid disc, electronic parking brakes optional, electronic stability program ESP optional. आइए अब हम बात करते हैं XUV 700 के टायर्स एंड व्हील्स के बारे में. डायमंड कट अलॉय व्हील्स 235/60R18 और 235/65R17, स्टील व्हील्स 235/65R17 बेस वेरिएंट्स एंड स्पेयर व्हील्स 155/90R18 and temporary spare wheel. In terms of availability, the bookings for the Mahindra XUV 700 are going to open in October, while the deliveries of the SUV are expected to commence from November or December, with a starting price tag of rupees 11.99 lakhs. The XUV 700 competes with a lot of cars around the price range like Hyundai Creta, Hyundai Alcazar, Kia Seltos, Tata Harrier, Tata Safari, Jeep Compass, MG Hector Plus and many more. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and press bell icon.